Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Lately I've been traveling a lot and staying fresh is not always easy. Taking care of my skin while I'm traveling is very important. In today's video I'm going to share quickly what I did during my 10-hour flight. If you're new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe and put your notifications on. So let's take a look what's in my little travel bag. I get actually all my products in mini sizes, so it's easy to travel with. So the most important thing is to drink a lot of water. Staying hydrated from the inside is the key for a healthy and good skin. Especially during a flight, you need to make sure to be extra hydrated. For my skincare routine, I start off with cleansing my hands with a hand sanitizer. I always have this one, so I keep my hands clean while I'm on the airport and in the airplane. Then I have these little cleansing wipes from M61, which cleans up the skin and is super gentle. The wipe contains vitamin E, lavender and green tea extract to calm down the skin. This package is also easy to pop in your bag and you can fresh up in a few seconds. I always travel with different face masks in my bag, and a brand I like lately is Magic Stripes. For this flight, I'm gonna try out the detox mask. This really purifies and cleans out the pores. I always feel my pores are a little bit dirty when I travel, so let's give this a try. It's an easy mask to apply because it's 2 different pieces. I tap this into my skin and I let this sit for about 10 minutes. So I'm taking off the top layer of the face mask and I press the mask into my skin. And as you can see, my hands are getting quite dirty. I'm pretty impressed that I didn't make a huge mess on the chairs, thank God. Anyway, I'm putting on the second piece and again I'm taking off the top layer and I'm really trying to press the mask in every little corner so it will clean up everything. And there we go, ready to chill. And in the meantime, I'm just listening to music, I watch a show, I kind of have to enjoy my flight a little bit. With this warm towel, I can gently remove all the face mask off my face. It really feels good to clean out the pores before I'm going to hydrate in. Because I already have like dry skin and high up in the air, my skin feels even more dehydrated. I'm spraying some Evian water on my face. This feels really fresh and the water hydrates my skin. I use this facial spray actually a couple of times during my flight to keep it moist and soothing. Right before the flight, I went into a French pharmacy in Paris and I got my hands on this hydration cream from Aven and I've used it before. It's a light hydration cream for normal to sensitive skin. It's not too heavy, which I prefer during a flight because I don't want to have clogged pores. I use a little bit of cream and gently massage it into my skin. To hydrate my lips, I am using this Frank Body lip balm, which is honestly the best. I just use a tiny bit and it keeps my lips soft and hydrated for a couple of hours. Because I wash my hands quite often during traveling, I feel my hands are getting extra dry. To keep them soft, I'm using this jasmine infused hand cream from Clarins. So this was my routine at the beginning of the flight. So now we're gonna go to my routine right before I land. I spray some extra Evian water on my face and apply these Beauty Bio eye patches, which I'm sure you have seen in other videos of mine. These are really to get rid of any dark circles and to hydrate the skin underneath my eyes. Especially if I have to go straight to set or to work from the plane, these eye patches are absolutely lifesavers. So I leave these on for about 10 minutes and afterwards they're super easy to take off. Also, before I land, I use this Love Story Eau de Parfum by Glowy to smell good. I always feel if I smell nice, I feel a bit more fresh and I also feel more energized. This is a little beauty secret. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know in the comments below if you want to see more travel routines of mine. And I would say au revoir and see you soon.